Okay, I'll tell you, this kind of knife are great because they are inexpensive. They don't really cost a lot of money, and they are great for everyday kind of carry. Kershaw is really famous for that. And again, they're not really that expensive, so you could use it for quite some time, and then after that, it's totally okay, right? So this is gonna be the Kershaw Camshaft 1370, and essentially, this is what you're gonna have right there. You're gonna have the knife, obviously, which we're gonna open it up, and some paperwork that was a pain to take out, as you can see what I did here to the box, right? So you got the paperwork right here, and you kind of see some of the information right here. But let's go ahead and open this knife just so you can see it. Take it out of the box right here, or the plastic. This is kind of what you have right here. So again, this is kind of like an everyday kind of carry knife that you could utilize to cut boxes or whatever, right? If you like to carry a knife. I'm giving you a quick look right here. Looks nice. Handle looks like it has a little bit of traction right there. Let's take a quick look. Obviously, you're going to carry this tip up. You can see the clip right here. You can also change it to this side, so you're going to have two different choices. It's going to be a flipper, and I'm just going to flip it right here. And wow, that came out really, really nice. That kind of shoot out pretty decent. And this is kind of what you got right there, giving you a look. I like it. I think for the price is pretty fantastic, right? I like that blade profile. I like how it feels in your hand. It's a pretty decent size. The handle has a pretty decent traction as well. It's liner lock, as you can see it right here. We're gonna close it up and we're gonna go ahead and deploy it again. Wow, that comes out really, really good. There's a little pressure when you close it. You kind of feel a little bit of pressure, but when it comes out really, really nice. Okay, so let's do a little bit of details or a little bit of specs right here for some of you guys that like that. Obviously, this is going to be the Kershaw Camshaft. There's going to be different models out there. You're actually going to be able to get it in different colors as well. It's going to weigh about 3.1 ounces. The blade is going to be about 3 inches long, as you can see right here. The handles are going to be plastic. The whole thing is going to be about 7.25 inches. This plate right here is going to be like a clip point kind of style, and it's going to be 4CR13, which I'm not really that familiar. And as you can see, the blade is going to be like a stone color. If you notice right here, the clip is going to be stone wash as well, so it kind of match the blade. And again, it's a pretty decent knife. Like, I actually like it. You know, for the price, this is not bad at all. Let's see how sharp it is. Here we go. It's not bad. All right, let's go ahead and get a different page so we could be fair. All right, there you have it. Not super sharp or anything like that, but it would do the job. I'll tell you, for the money you pay for this, really not that bad. Let me give you a quick look from the top right here because I really didn't do that. But again, you have a little bit of open space right here, and then you have a little bit of space right here, kind of like a jimping, a little bit of jimping in there as well. Again, for the price, really not that bad.